In this lesson, children, we're going to learn how to multiply decimals. And I've posed a real-life word problem, and we're going to apply multiplying decimals to this word problem. Jenna's cat had 12 kittens. Aww. Each kitten weighed 3 215 ounces. What was the total weight of the kittens? So as we think about this problem, we know that she had 12 kittens, and each kitten weighed 3 215 ounces. So we could add 3 215 ounces 12 times. But since we're mature and we're in 6th grade now, we are going to multiply those two values to figure out the total weight of all the kittens. So I like to put the value that has the most digits on the top. 3 215 times 12. I like to put the value that has the most digits on the top because to me it's easier to multiply with the greater number listed above. So we're going to do traditional multi-digit multiplication of these two factors to find the product, but we're going to worry about that decimal point later. So at this point, just ignore the decimal point. So 5 times 2 is 10. I like to draw a line from each digit as I'm multiplying. So 2 times 5 is 10. I put down the 0, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So at this point, I kind of like to cross out that first digit that we've already multiplied. Just it kind of helps me keep my brain and my work organized. I also like to mark out the digits I might have carried or regrouped, just so I don't get confused when I'm multiplying that second digit. Now I'm going to first thing we have to do, which all 6th graders forget to do, even sometimes 6th grade teachers forget to do. And what is that, class?
Put 0.
Put the 0. That holds the place value. We've already multiplied that too. So that 0 is holding the place value as we continue to multiply that second digit. Okay? A lot of even adults forget to do that step. And then we're going to multiply the second digit, and I'm going to continue with the pattern of drawing a line to each digit as I multiply. I also changed colors. So I know, children, that you have colored pencils. If you would like to change colors as we're multiplying that second digit, for your homework, that's fine with me. Color coding steps is very brain friendly. So 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And then 1 times 3 is 3. So now I'm finished multiplying the factors, and I'm going to add these two products together. I call them products because they were a result of us multiplying the factors. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus nothing is 3. Now, this is the dangerous step. Dun 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 dun!
I had to do it.
So, what we do at this point is we count the place values to the right of the decimal. And then whatever amount that is, that's when we move our decimal from the very end to that amount of place values we notice up here. So at the top, I see that there are 3 place values to the right of the decimal. The 5 is 1, the other 1, and the 2. So there's 3 place values to the right of the decimal. There aren't any values to the right of this factor. So since I notice that there's 3 decimal points up here, in the product, I move this decimal point 3 places over to the left. 1, 2, 3. So our final answer, children, is 38 and 58 hundredths, or you could say its equivalent decimal, which is 38 and 580 thousandths. So as we go back to our word problem, we know that the final answer of the total weight of the kittens is 38 and 58 hundredths ounces. Let's make sure that makes sense to us. If we were to estimate or round 3 and 215 thousandths, that might round to 3. And we know 12 times 3 is 36. So in my brain, when I visualize this problem, logically it makes sense that the total weight would be close to 36. And we realize it is. Let's try a couple more multiplication decimal word problems together.